If you're a new grower, one of the first things that you're going to need to learn is how to use pH up and pH down and when to use it. You're most likely going to be using pH up and down almost every single time you mix up nutrients. Because a lot of times when you add water and nutrients to your feed, and then you mix it all up, and then afterwards it's not at the right pH for your plants. Now, obviously, different growing mediums are going to have different pHs. Like hydroponics is going to have a 6.0, cocoa is going to have a 6.0 pH, but soil is going to have a 6.5. But one thing you do want to do is you want to make sure to add your pH at the very, very end of your mixing. It's the last thing you mix up. And why is that? Say you mix in some nutrients. So you're starting out, for me, I start out with RO water. It starts out like, I think right now it's at 8 pH. This will bring it down to about a 5. And I need to bring it back up to 6 or 6.5. And this is just the nutrients, what I feed. This is King Solomon. But say you want to add in some silica also. This silica is also going to affect that pH. So if you add the pH up or down before you're adding stuff, all these different nutrients and things that you add to the water are going to affect the pH after that. So say you have your water pH that's at 6.0, but then you add anything else to it, it is automatically going to go one way or the other, up or down. This is also why it's really important to make sure that your nutrients are fully mixed up, fully dissolved before adding in another nutrient. Some nutrients act a certain way if you add something into it when it's not fully mixed up yet, and it's just better to have everything all mixed up, along with having the pH being stable at that point instead of still going up while you're still mixing other stuff. So always add your pH up and down after your nutrient mix is all around mixed up, and it's the last thing you do. Also helps to check the EC, that is the strength of your feed as well.